Hello everyone, this is Dipti from Prayanats. So today's video is part of a collaboration for a giveaway where I am sponsoring this journal and this handmade crochet bookmark. So this collaboration is with Shruti and she is hosting this giveaway on the occasion of her birthday. So first of all, I would like to wish her a very happy birthday and thank you, Shruti, for choosing Prayanats as a sponsor for this giveaway. So, this starts today and it runs till 13th of November. So, the winners will be announced on 14th of November, and she would be publishing the same on her Instagram stories. So, I will provide a link to the giveaway in the description box below. So, please ensure that you visit her page and participate in this giveaway. So Shruti is basically an artist and she works with poster colors and acrylic paints, and I was really impressed by her work, especially the ones which she has painted on book pages, because of late, I have been very inspired to use a lot of book pages in my embellishments for these journals. So that was one thing which attracted me towards her work. So let's start with this flip through. So first I will just show you this bookmark. This is a simple flower based bookmark which has a tassel at the bottom. So this goes as part of this hamper, and this journal measures around 5 by 7 inches, and I have used fabric as a cover of this journal, and this has been embellished with off-white colored lace on all the sides. And this book plate is basically made up of paper, and I have used this frame which comes from a wedding card, and inside this it has a simple scrapbook paper, so you can easily add a label of this journal on this frame. And I have used this string to keep the journal in place. So if you want, you can use this or just remove it, because this journal is not a very bulky one and it has only one signature. So there are around 45 to 50 pages in this journal, and as we move inside, I have added a fabric pocket on the front cover which has a journaling spot, so you can write up something about the theme of this journal. And it has a little heart which says creative. So this time I have tried using some line pages to give a little different feel. So I'll just quickly show you what are the types of pages I have used in this journal. So these are simple colored cardstock papers, and here is a embellished paper clip where I have just tucked a small journaling spot. So there is this writing space at the back, and on the other side as well I have tucked in a flip down envelope, so this also has some writing space. So in this journal I have not stuck any of the embellishments, and I have just tucked them with the help of a paper clip, so that you have your freedom to use them as per your choice. Also I have restricted myself in embellishing this journal because I wanted to leave it open for the user, so that they can use them the way they want, and not go as per my choice. So this paper basically comes from a book by Khushwant Singh, and this book explained the various seasons in New Delhi and the types of flowers which we have in the different seasons. So this was the index page, and therefore it has the names of all the months, which I have not purposely covered, because this can be used to make certain notes, like noting down the birthdays or anniversaries or anything of that sort. So I just left it like this, and then again I have added few more lined pages along with some cardstock paper. This is a scrapbook paper which adds a little decorative touch. So this is the middle of the signature, and this is a hand painted sheet which I have secured as a flip with the help of a washi tape. So this has tape on both the sides, so you get some extra writing space as well as some space to decorate. So these are just the other side of the same pages, so I'll just quickly flip through. So this is a small pocket where I have tucked a tag. So this also has some writing space at the back. Then this is again a three pocket envelope kind of a thing where I have again added a tag along with the journaling spot. So you have the space to decorate it, and then I have also added this tag which I have made using dried leaves. So this also has some writing space, and I have used some tea dyed papers at the back of all the tags and the journaling spots. So these are hand dyed. This is again a small pocket where I have tucked in a journaling card. So I have just used a few stickers here and there just to give you an idea of how you can decorate a journal. So yeah, this is the end of the journal. So here I have added a corner pocket along with a tag which says handmade and a journaling spot. So yeah, this is how the journal goes. Do let me know how do you find this, and did you get some inspiration? And these will be given to the winners of the giveaway, so please ensure that you visit her page and participate in this giveaway. uh, Thank you so much for being here. Have a nice day. Bye.